Intro, Ridemexo. Welcome to Ridemexo, where today we dive into the raw, stripped-down world of the Harley Davidson Iron 883, a machine built for pure attitude and timeless style. Design and styling. The Iron 883 carries the classic Harley silhouette with a dark, aggressive personality. Its blacked-out components, low stance, and minimalist structure give it a rebellious look that stands out on any street. This bike is designed for riders who appreciate simplicity with character. Engine and performance. Powered by an 883 cubic centimeters Evolution V-twin engine, the Iron 883 delivers smooth torque and a signature Harley rumble. It's not built for speed but for steady, confident cruising. Its low-end pull makes city riding effortless, while the engine's raw feel keeps the experience authentic. Comfort and ride quality. The low seat height and mid-mounted controls create a natural, comfortable posture for most riders. While the suspension is firm, it adds to the sporty feel and road engagement. The Iron 883 is ideal for short rides and urban cruising, offering a connected and responsive experience. Features and practicality. The bike keeps things minimal with essential instrumentation and a clean layout. Its lightweight build makes it beginner-friendly, while customization options are endless. From exhausts to handlebars, the Iron 883 is a blank canvas for personal expression. Final verdict. The Harley Davidson Iron 883 is more than a motorcycle, it's an attitude statement. With classic looks, dependable performance, and massive customization potential, it remains one of Harley's most iconic entry-level cruisers. Perfect for riders who want pure, unfiltered Harley spirit.